My name is Tsai. I'm from Wayne, New Jersey, and I'm in the class of 2020. I'm working in the lab of Dr. Gregory Davis, investigating differences in gene expression and how they underlie evolved changes in photoperiod in different strains of pea aphids. So aphids exhibit a response to seasonal changes in photoperiod. So during the spring and summer, aphids will reproduce asexually and produce genetically identical asexual offspring. But during the fall and the winter, the aphids will start to reproduce sexual progeny that lay frost-resistant eggs, and that allows the aphids to last through the winter. And we think that juvenile hormone, which is a hormone involved in insect development, might be responsible for mediating the effect of photoperiod on reproductive fate and actually promoting the asexual fate. It's interesting because aphids are able to exhibit different phenotypes just from one genotype. And this ability has been shown in other insects as well. And if we learn more about differences in gene expression, it may help us understand more about how different species evolve depending on what regions of the world they come from.